Have you ever thought about growing your own romaine lettuce at home? It's easier than you might think. And it's a great way to have fresh, crisp lettuce at your fingertips. To start, select a wide and shallow container with drainage holes. This is crucial to prevent waterlogging. Romaine lettuce has a shallow root system, so a container that is at least 8 to 12 inches deep and wide enough to accommodate several lettuce plants is a perfect choice. Next, you need to pick the right type of romaine lettuce. Compact or mini varieties like Little Gem, Terrace Island, or Valmaine are a great choice, as they thrive well in confined spaces. Once you have your container and lettuce variety, it's time to prepare the potting mix. Fill the container with a high-quality, well-draining and fertile potting mix. You can enhance the soil fertility and structure by adding organic compost or aged manure. Now you're ready to plant your seeds or seedlings. If you're using seeds, sow them directly into the potting mix at a depth of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, spacing them about 2 to 3 inches apart. If you're using seedlings, gently transplant them into the container, making sure they're evenly spaced. After planting, water the seeds or seedlings immediately. Keep the soil consistently moist throughout the growing season, watering whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. For optimal growth, place your container in a sunny location where it will receive 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Romaine lettuce can tolerate partial shade and prefers cooler temperatures, so if you're in a hot climate, a partially shaded location will work. As your lettuce grows, you'll need to thin out the seedlings. Removing the weaker seedlings will give the remaining plants more room to grow. To keep your lettuce healthy and productive, apply a balanced fertilizer or organic compost tea every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. But remember, over-fertilizing can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flavor and texture. Applying a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or shredded leaves, around the base of the lettuce plants will help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Finally, you'll be ready to harvest your romaine lettuce about 60 to 70 days after planting. Cut the outer leaves with sharp scissors or a knife, leaving the inner leaves to continue growing. So there you have it. Growing romaine lettuce at home is a simple, rewarding process. By following these steps, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, crisp lettuce leaves right from your own home.